Hey guys, what's up? I am Nikhil from 𝗕𝗵𝗆𝗀𝗀 and welcome back to this brand new video. In today's video, we will take a look at some really new and amazing packages from AEJuice. They have added some really dope animation packages to their family like the Cyberpunk HUD 2, the Neon Glitch Shapes, the Urban Texture Pack and the VHS Retro Pack. All these packs are super amazing and comes with some very dynamic animations. So with that said, let's jump into After Effects and let's explore all these packages and have a look at them. I have mentioned links to all these packages in the description below, so you can anytime check them out. With that said, let's jump into After Effects and get started. Alright guys, so here we are in After Effects and I have opened up the AEJuice Pack Manager version 4. You can download this free pack manager from the AEJuice website, and there are some amazing free packs that you can try it out for yourself. In this particular video, we will take a look at some of the newer edition of package which are absolutely amazing. They have so many amazing packs, and I've created videos on all these packs in the past. I will mention a link in the description below so you can check them out as well. So let's start off by taking a look at the Neon Glitch Shapes pack. So I can just open this up, and these are like some of the awesomest glitchy animations that you can use from this pack. As you can see, there are a number of different variations, and you can create some really high-tech looking animations with these shapes, and using them is super simple. All you have to do is create a new composition, and here I have a very simple composition which is 1920 by 1080. And let's say if I want to add any of the animation from this, so let's say if I want to add this pink bot, I can simply double click and boom, there we have the animation. Now the best part is that it also opens up a window where you can make all the adjustment. You don't need to jump inside every different pre-comp. You can easily change the color from right here, so I can just tweak this to change the colors. So I can close this up, and if I don't want to use this, I can anytime delete it. Then there are some more amazing packs like the CyberHUD version 2, which is one of my favorite HUD packs out there. There are so many amazing cyberpunk style animation inside this package. We get backgrounds, we get cross elements, some really nice animations. We get cyber text, and all these animations are super high tech and very high detail, and using them is also very easy again. So let's say if I want to use any of these animations, let's say I'll use this one, and here we have our animation. Now you can easily change the font from right over here, so I can click on this button, and let's say I'll select more of a high-tech font, and I can also change the background font, so I'll keep this one. And as you can see, it looks super cool. I can change the color, so I can make it look really interesting one, maybe give it a nice cyberpunk style look. And you can play around with this. You don't need to jump inside every single composition. You can just simply change the colors from right over here, so I can make this maybe red, and we get this really cool look. I can also change the text, so I can simply jump right here. I can make this maybe something like cyber, boom, there we go. So now let's preview our animation. Pretty sick. As you can see, in just a few clicks we get a very interesting looking animation. Again, we get a number of different controls to control every single property of this animation. So let's close this up, and I'll delete this for now. Then we get some frames which we can add if you're creating if you do a lot of game streamings, then you can use these kind of framing to put it on your streaming videos. Then we have some HUD animations which are super high detail, as you can see right over here. So let's say if I add some of these, let's say I'll add this one. As you can see, the animations are super high detail. You can use it in a number of different ways, and again, you can easily change the colors. So if I want to go with a different one, maybe something like a red, I can go with that and get a really cool look. Pretty awesome. Then we have the HUD elements again. So this are some really nice animations here. We have icon animations. So if you want to go with a cyberpunk icon animation style, you can use that. Then we have line animation. So if you are looking for this cool liney strokes of glitches, then you can use that. And one way to use these animations, let me show that to you. So let's say I'll add maybe this one. So let's double click to add that. So here we have the stroke, and what you can do is if I create a text, so let's type in something like cyber, and I'm going to quickly align this into the center and make this smaller like so. All right, and then I will hit F4 and change the track matte to alpha matte. And now if I preview this, we get a really cool animations. Just to give you guys an idea of how you can use this animations in number of different ways, I can hit S, maybe scale this down a little bit, get a really nice look overall. Then we have line waves. So again, we have some really nice high-tech lines, simple line animations, loading elements, we have random letters, splash compositions, and then some Instagram stories, text comps, and triangle elements, and some waves. Then let's jump on to the next pack. So let's take a look at the urban texture pack, which is a very small pack, but one of my favorite because of this nice texture animations that they have. So as you can see, there are a number of different urban textures, and a lot of people ask me that how I add those amazing background textures in my videos, in my animations. Well, I use the textures from this particular package. All you have to do is double click to add or load that texture. I'm going to scale this down to 50%, hit T and bring down the opacity to 10%, keep it very subtle in the background, and then I can add my text right off the bat. So let's select the text tool, let's type in something like texture. I'll set this into the center, and then what I'm going to do is duplicate this, hit Ctrl D, change this to alpha matte and increase the opacity basically. And let's duplicate the text one more time, and this time I'm going to bring down the opacity of the text. And now if I preview this, we get a very nice look. So you can use these textures in a number of different ways to achieve a very cool look. And basically you can take your time and have a look at all these packages, but I have, as I said before, I have already created review videos on many of these, almost every different package that they have, so you can check that out. The links are again in the description below. And finally, let's take a look at the newest edition, that is the VHS retro pack, which is super awesome. There are some really advanced animation that this pack consists of. As you can see in the preview, we get some nice retro style backgrounds, so many different variations in different angles as well. We have story animations, so if you create Instagram stories in retro style, you can use that. We have retro title animations, which are super popular these days. You can use them if you like this 80s retro style and feel. And finally, we have some animation for retro trailers as well. So all in all, the newer edition of these packages are super awesome. I definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check it out. I have mentioned the links in the description below. So with that said, this is a wrap for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and do let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and always stay raw, stay creative. Peace out.